Here's a quick introduction to the student information system that you first need to go inside Chandler Gilbert Community College, which is inside.cgc.maricopa.edu, or there's a link at the bottom of the external web page. And then you'll notice that there are a bunch of links over this direction, and the student information system is SIS. So you can click on that. And throughout all of this, if you're ever prompted for a username password, you know that, or you should know to use your MEID along with your Maricopa password. And so I am being thus prompted, so here I go. And my password, which you can't see, and I'm not going to tell you, and click sign in. Now there's a variety of things that you can do here, and yours will not look quite the same as mine. Since I'm a chair, I have a few additional sorts of things that I can and must do, but you do have an employee self-service. And so in the employee self-service, that you can go to the faculty center, and it lists the courses that you are scheduled to teach. For some of us, since courses like physics and biology where lecture and lab is integrated by credit and grade, we only have a grade roster associated with the lecture portions. If you are teaching in one of the other sciences, then you would have these grades everywhere. So just so you see what that sort of thing looks like, that this shows you the student, and this is where you will come to assign grades at the end of the semester, or if at the end of the first week of class a student has not shown up, then you will withdraw them and choose as a reason no show and the date as the first day that class was supposed to be. While I'm at it, I'm going to copy a student number for another thing that I wish to show. But anywho, this is how you can get into this portion of the student information system. You will also be required to certify that the enrollment is proper when it comes to the 45th day, because that's how we get paid. And you notice that there are other icons that are associated, and when it comes time, you're going to see this icon that I'm pointing to up here. You'll see that in the list, and you'll choose that to certify that the roster is correct. But you do want to make sure you keep up on dropping students as you need them dropped, or as they request to be dropped if it gets too late for them to do it themselves, and you choose to do that. But that's another question that I wanted to answer, is that how is it that you go about and figure out what date students can drop themselves with a withdraw while passing without your permission. And it used to be that was a hard and fast published date. Now it's course dependent as to when the course starts, how long the course is, etc. So what you can do is you can put in your syllabus to tell students to go to their My Maricopa and look up that date. So the idea is that you could put it on them. They're college students, they should know. But if you wanted to know, since you're not enrolled in your class, you can't see that data directly. But let me go back to Employee Self-Service, and I'm going to go to the Student Services Center. And you remember I copied a student ID from one of my classes, so I'm going to paste that in here for the ID, and then I'm going to search. And this will allow me to pull up this student's schedule. And so I can see these courses. So if, for instance, I wanted to know when my class, when the important dates are, that you see this little calendar icon, it says deadlines up here in the icon description, that if I click on that, that takes me to this. Let me make that a little bit larger so you can read it. That it shows the dates. This first date is the last date to drop for full refund, and this is the date before which you need to withdraw non-show or no-show students from the first week. Um, and then the last date to drop is given here as October 8th. And I'm willing to bet if I went back and looked at Tara's other courses like the biology or the math, since they are taught on different days, they'd probably have different both drop dates and last date to drop. So I hope this has been instructive. Feel free to give me a call or give the help desk a call, which is 480-732-7025, or get one of these technology reference guides for CGC faculty that I passed out at the meeting last night, or get on Tech Central. Bye.